Welcome to this guided visualization meditation for calming the inner storm. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without any distractions. Take a few deep breaths, allowing your body and mind to settle into a state of tranquility. Let go of any thoughts or concerns, and open yourself to this transformative experience. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air. Hold the breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful, serene place in nature. It could be a sandy beach, a lush forest, or a peaceful meadow. Feel the soft ground beneath your feet, connecting you to the earth's grounding energy. As you look up to the sky, notice that dark storm clouds are gathering above you. These clouds represent the inner storm of emotions and thoughts that may be swirling within you. Acknowledge the storm clouds without judgment, knowing that it's a natural part of the human experience to have turbulent emotions at times. Embrace the storm, understanding that it is an opportunity for growth and healing. Now, visualize a gentle, warm light emerging from within you. This light represents your inner strength and resilience. As the light grows brighter, it begins to spread throughout your entire body, enveloping you in a soothing glow. With each breath you take, imagine that you are inhaling this calming light. Feel it flowing through your veins, easing any tension or restlessness. As you exhale, visualize the light gently dissolving the dark storm clouds above you. Take a moment to notice how the storm clouds gradually disperse, revealing a clear, serene sky. Your inner storm is dissipating, and you are becoming more at peace with each passing moment. Now, focus your attention on your heart center, the seat of compassion and love. Visualize the light expanding from your heart, reaching out to every corner of your being. As the light extends beyond your body, it spreads to touch all the people and beings you care about. See the light surrounding them with love and comfort, calming their inner storms as well. Take a few moments to bask in this feeling of tranquility and connection, knowing that you have the power to create calmness within yourself and extend it to others. When you are ready to conclude the meditation, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Thanks for watching.